Mr. Jai Krishna Prasad.
I have been asked pray for not today, my lords.
My lord, after issuance of notice,
we give you our verdict that we are refusing your prayer.
Actually, he is not coming.
That's not the way you seek time.
my lord, after
You have been asked. Unless you make a request to the court on the asking of somebody who has asked you, we don't accept such prayers. Prayer refused. Yes.
After issuance of notice, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 9 for the first time, and respondent number 10 died, my lord, during pendency of this appeal.
बाप जो है फादर ने बेटे को प्रॉपर्टी उसके माइनॉरिटी में दान और फिर उसी जमीन को बेच दिया तीसरे से पैसे लेके।
हमको नहीं कुछ मालूम।
और अब कहता है वो लड़का कि साहब ये तो मेरी जमीन मेरा फादर कैसे बेच दिया। इस तरीके पड़ी है। I don't think it's. We are setting aside this order, Mr.
Already I informed him, my lords.
Mr. Khurshid Alam. I must say he is not pressing for time any further seeing the view of the court.
No.
Oral
gift is my lord permissible.
ये section ये the respondent number 10. You have the file with you?
नहीं है.
Respondent number 10 is the father of respondent number 9. All right?
जी.
Respondent number 10 gifted property to respondent number 9 when he was a minor, when he was 4 or 5 years old. And then respondent number 10 sold that land also to third party. And then put up, yes, this is what has happened. And then the son has been put up to say that this property is mine, it has been gifted to me. How could my father sell it? And the single judge says, yes, that can't be sold.
No.
You have left all these buyers at the mercy of the schemes of father and son. Which law will justify? Kadderabi or whichever law you may say. I'm not going to condone this.
ना
ना क्या?
नहीं.
जजमेंट यही कहता है.
जजमेंट तो हुजूर को टेस्ट करना हम लोग थोड़ी.
नहीं तो फैक्ट्स पर हमने गलत बोला.
नहीं, फैक्ट सही है. And that can't be.
We will set this up. Anand, since we are primarily prima facie of the view that we are not sustaining this order, we must hear the appellant.
And he is also asking for.
what time, my lord?
इनको क्या इनसे हमें कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. हमें ये ऑर्डर गलत लग रहा है इसलिए
This is a registered gift, my lord.
छोड़िए. रजिस्टर्ड गिफ्ट है. आप कौन हैं?
I am the son of respondent number 10.
नहीं, ये राइट तो इनका है, परचेजर्स का. रजिस्टर्ड गिफ्ट है आपका.
That's why I am saying for
कैसे
filing
बेचा?
counter affidavit.
कैसे बेचा? आपने क्या अपेलेंट है ही नहीं, उनसे पूछते हैं कैसे खरीदे. देखिए, अब ask him who has asked you to take time.
Counsel for the appellant, Mr.
Who is he? काउंसिल का नाम होगा ना.
Jagkrishna Prasad.
Ask Mr. Jaikrishna Prasad to be here. Mr. Khurshid Alam, please check up
हम चेक
the position of law.
जी हम कर लेते. बिल्कुल कर लेते.
कैसे रजिस्टर कर देंगे गिफ्ट डीड जब वो बच्चा है? क्या है? we will see. कहाँ है? where is the document showing the registration of the gift deed?
I will file.
आपके यहाँ तो registration होता नहीं है. Under Muslim law it is only what is that called?
हिबा. हिबा.
Hiba.
Hiba is, my lord, the oral gift.
Oral.
But, my lord, a Muslim can also gift by registered gift.
by document.
By document also. That is permissible or registered.
कहाँ registered है दिखाइए.
Impugn order में तो है.
I have to file counter affidavit, my lord. Next week, my lord.
इम्प्यून ऑर्डर में उसे देखा
Registered
जाएगा.
gift of 94 my lord.
नहीं नहीं, वो रजिस्टर्ड होगा तो ये गलत हो जाएगा ना.
Or he is claiming on the
Gift is not required to be registered. It's only oral in form of human. There can be yaddash. There was a registered gift card.
my lord.
Paragraph 7 of my lord, the order which is under challenge. That the present case there was a registered gift deed
card. Then
in favor of respondent number 9.
उससे क्या मतलब? रजिस्टर्ड गिफ्ट है, वो कहता है कि हम इनके पोजीशन में रजिस्टर्ड है. रजिस्ट्रेशन का जो उसकी नेसेसरी कॉन्सिक्वेंस है वो
So respondent number 9, once that was...
When was this property purchased by the appellants?
In the year 1995 my lord.
1995 में इन्होंने खरीदा. मंजूर और बीबी नूरजहां ने.
My lord. Or registered gift at 22/7/94. Registration has already been done.
Registration means nothing. Registration only means that it can be registered without verifying. कुछ नहीं. देखिए इंडियन रजिस्ट्रेशन एक्ट. वो कैसे करता है? हमारा व्यू यही है. कन्वीनियंस को क्या करेंगे हम इसमें? मेरा व्यू यही है. सिस्टम. Very well, we are adjourning the matter for a week. We will also find out what is to be done. We find that the appellant has been cheated.
Yes, that
We find that the appellant has been cheated. Let
By
us see what we can do.
respondent number 10.
By respondent number 10. You are number 9.
My lord.
How old are you now?
I am now major my lord.
How old are you now?
32 years.
Now.
My lord.
And when the property was gifted to you, you were how
2 years.
How many years old?
2 years.
2 years.
4 years.
2 or 4 years.
Registry section it is only a notice. It is only a notice. And that's what it was not. Mr. Khurshid,
Ji.
you please find out. Apart from being the state counsel, you will be the amicus for this court also.
Ji, ji.
Now, since he was only 3 years old or 2 years old, whether any gift to him would amount to giving the dominion of the land to him. If not, whether it is registered or not registered is only a notice to the third party. Whether it would bind, because this is surprising. The father gives his property to his son, keeps it under wraps, and then sells it for consideration to a third party. It's तो प्रोसिक्यूशन चलना चाहिए. And where would these people go? The appellants. आप इस पर देख लीजिएगा.
बिल्कुल.
Because even if it is registered,
नहीं,
what
नहीं,
would be the effect?
समझ.
Because
Because he was minor at that time.
Not minor का मतलब he was infantile. He was what is that called? What is
Infant.
the actual expression when he does not understand anything? What is that? What is that?
Infant.
No. Non mentis. He was doli incapax.
वर्ड लिखना पड़ेगा.
We will not be able to.
डोलिन के. देख लेते हैं इसमें लीगल क्या हो. Because question is, my lord, that
Now we want this 10 also to be here.
10 has already died.
No, 10 is dead.
That during pendency of this appeal.
फिर भी
All
लीगल मतलब their rights will be protected. I will see what is the legal effect of that.
All right, Wills.
say,
लिखिए
gift
pray
deed.
for. नहीं इसको थोड़ा सा हम लिखाएंगे.
And subsequently
The appellants. Nobody appears on behalf of the appellants. First up, Mr. Khurshid Alam, learned additional advocate general number
12.
12 is present for the state. For the state is present. First up, the respondent number 9 is represented by.
Manish.
You are only Manish.
Only Manish.
Represented by Mr. Manish, learned advocate. First up, this court has been informed that respondent number 10, the father of respondent number 9, who is the vendor of the appellants, has died during the pendency of the present appeal. It appears that while respondent number 9 was 2 years of age,
4 years.
was 4 years of age, the property in question was gifted to him by a registered deed of gift. A year after, the same property was sold by respondent number 10, bracket since deceased, to the appellants. The learned single judge has held that in view of the registered gift deed being of earlier origin than the sale, the gift deed shall have preference over shall have preference over the conveyance, shall have preference over the sale deed. The argument urged on behalf of the argument which was urged on behalf the argument of the appellant that without giving the dominion of the property to the donee and without losing control over the said property, the act of gift is not completed, notwithstanding its registration, as registration is only a notice to the third party. It was also submitted by the appellants before the learned single judge that in Muslim law, a gift is not required to be registered. And gifts under the Mohammedan law is executed by way of hiba. It is the contention of the appellants, therefore, that it was a clever stratagem on the part of respondent number 10, since deceased, to fob the appellants of their money by selling the property which has already been gifted, and then setting up the son, bracket respond number 9, to have that sale deed cancelled.
इसमें एक एंगल
No
और
provision of the act of respond number, ये लिखें, it's prima facie it appears to be, he is not here, it's artifice. This court finds such action to be an artifice to be sustained in the eyes of law. Full stop.
इसमें सेल डीड इनका देख लेते हैं। इसमें
देखते हैं, आप
बहुत
सब देख
आसान चीज है हुजूर, 1 मिनट में हुजूर को बता दे रहे हैं।
आने दीजिए।
94 में गिफ्ट हुआ,
हम्म,
95 में सेल हुआ, 95 में भी माइनर थे, तो बीइंग ए गार्जियन ही कैन सोल्ड,
he can sell.
यस।
नहीं वो ठीक है, वो that
वो
is another-
इसीलिए इनका सेल डीड देख लिया जाए
ठीक।
कि उसमें उन्होंने क्या कह के बेचा,
ये the court has
कि
not
ये
examined.
प्रॉपर्टी
ये बढ़िया।
मेरी है
Mr.
या मेरे बेटे की है, एज ए
it's an act of
गार्जियन हम
artifice.
बेच रहे हैं।
Full stop. Mr. Khurshid Alam,
जी,
learned additional advocate general, has further submitted that no opinion could be made without verifying the declaration in the sale deed,
जी,
whether the property was being sold to the appellants as regent